Welcome, D-Wolf Cobras. It's me, Mr. Cheney, with another brilliant tutorial. This one today is the portfolio. We need to actually build a portfolio for a lot of you. Most of you have built one already, and we just need to improve it. So we're going to be using this template to build a 4-page Google site portfolio. So the first page is going to be home page, then about me, then project showcase, then certifications and skills. So I'm going to show you how to get that site going, how to rename things, how to get things where they're supposed to be, just so that we have the framework for what we need. So here's how we do that. I'm going to go to the assignment on Google Classroom. It's under the mock interview prep section, and it's right here, professional portfolio part 1. And we're going to use Google Sites, and we're going to find the student portfolio template. And we are going to make sure that we have these 4 pages right here. So that requires us to kind of delete some existing ones, rename some, add another one. So you're going to see what I mean when we get there. So let's do it. We're going to close this one because it's already built. I'm going to open up another tab. I'm going to go to my waffle, and I'm going to go to Google Sites. Not slides, we want sites. So I'm going to open that up, and you're going to click this run right here, Student Portfolio. And the very first thing we want to do is pick a theme. So the theme right here, the themes are simple and Aristotle and diplomat, vision, level, and impression. So I'm going to go with diplomat.
What?
Diplomat. All right, so now that you have picked your theme, then we can do a couple things here on we're on the home page right now. So what we'll do is where it says your name, you want to do that. So we're going to put your first and last name. Remember, you want to capitalize your name. So capital J for me, James, and then Cheney. And then right in here where it says names learning journey, you want to actually put your name. So take those brackets out too. I'm going to put my name, just first name only. So that kind of gets us set on the home page. We're also going to go down here and we're going to take these sections out because we're actually going to relocate them somewhere else. And then our contact information goes there. So now we're set so far on our home page. Now this is where we need to make some changes. So classes, we're going to rename, and then we have some sub pages down here. So we're going to click this arrow and we're going to go to the 3 dots and we're going to delete these because we don't need the math class page. We don't need the art class page. And we're going to rename this one. So we don't want it to say classes. We're going to go to properties and we are going to rename this about me. So capital A with about and then me. And then we're going to rename this one. This one is project showcase. Okay, so now we have 3 pages, home page, about me, project showcase. And then the last one is going to be the certifications and skills. So we're going to go do a new page by going down here to the plus sign, the new page, and we're going to call it certifications and skills. Okay, so now we have our 4 pages. We already did some changes to the home page. You can go in and actually change this. You can put a logo there and you can change this image out. So I encourage you to do that. Certifications and skills is the one that we added a bunch of stuff to yesterday. So we want to add all our certifications. So we have certs from Imago, we have certs from Everfi, and we have certs from CareerSafe. So we want to showcase those. How do we do that? We're going to go over here to insert, and we've got this little content block that shows like 4 pictures with titles. It's perfect. So we're going to do that. Might even do it twice. Some of you have a bunch of certificates. And so now we're set up. And to put a certificate in, you click the plus sign, you do upload, and you go find your certificate. I don't have any because I'm not a student. I haven't made any of these. So let's just say that this seating chart is my certificate. I'll click that in there. And then I'm going to add the title of what it is. So let's say it was my 11th grade Imago Leadership. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to name the site first. So Imago, and then I'm going to put 11th grade Leadership. And then maybe I upload one for Everfi tax simulation. And then maybe the next one I have, everybody was supposed to do CareerSafe teamwork. Okay, so you will upload those, and that's basically what we did so far on the portfolio yesterday. So that was part one. So set up the portfolio, have 4 pages, clean up the home page, get a theme, get over to your certifications page and get your certificates in. And then we'll go to part two, probably Friday or Monday. And that's it for this part one. If you need help, refer to this video, or I will see you in class for live support. See you later.